Yo, what's good? It's your boy again, Johnny Sachs. Second video. Just bringing y'all a little bit of the heat. Just letting y'all know about these cough drop foams. Gonna do a little review. You see it. House of Hoops. Check them out. Black and red back. Red line down the middle. Red bottom. Look at that red right there. This is crazy. Look just like a cough drop. Pop that joint right in your mouth. Pause that. Official Nike Air logo. I like these joints. So I got a couple of pairs. You already know. There was a request for these when dudes were seeing them on the internet. So you know my logo. You know what I stand by. If you need it, I can get it. Nah, let me stop. But yo, look, check them out. They were only released at House of Hoop locations in Nike Town, which means that they ain't even in the malls. You feel me? So if you don't live by a House of Hoops or a Nike Town, guess what that means? Check that bay. Check a couple of them sites. Well, obviously, you know all these ain't my size, so you can check me. JOHNYSAKS@yahoo.com. Oh, it's more stuff to come. Best believe it's just the beginning. Peace.